see it clear, my heart is here. We got each other, let's take it from there.
I am tired and do not feel like cooking shit, but I don't have a choice. So 2 medium-sized red bell peppers, a half of red onion or purple onion, I don't know why they call it red, 8 to 10 pieces of garlic clove. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil, a little bit of sea salt, black pepper. Then we're gonna go ahead and mix until it's evenly coated. And I'm going to add this in my air fryer on 350 for about 8 minutes. All right, our peppers and onions and garlic is ready. Add to the blender. All right, here we are. Lemon pepper. I like lemon pepper. It also has salt, ground turmeric. I've been cooking a lot with turmeric lately. I love turmeric, onion. This is my food, okay? My food, my family. Herbs de Provence. This is my first time using this. Just a pinch of sea salt. Mix, mix, mix. Time to taste. Perfect. Seasonings. I preheated my cast iron skillet. We're gonna put the remaining seasonings.
I've had one of that fucking chicken like that. Stuffing it like that.
The stuff you like this chicken.
The stuff you like that chicken. Hey, stop.
Add chicken broth.